So once you've taken the Thrively Strengths Assessment, your strengths are going to show up here. Your top three will. So mine are social justice, appreciation, and creative thinking. And if you hover over those, they'll let you know a little bit about them. You can also view your strength profile by clicking this next to your top strengths. And it will tell you your top 5. And you can learn all about them by clicking on them to find more information. This right here tells you a little bit about yourself, and then if you hover over these, you can also select activities that build on this strength. You can explore those activities. And if you haven't already done so, you can create your first journal entry by typing in here and answering these questions. You can do this by entering text, taking a video, or audio, and then submit the journal. If you want to, you could also do the Midas assessment or the Habits of Mind assessment if you haven't done either of those yet and you've already done the strengths assessment today. You could do one of those to learn a little bit more about yourself. You can also just explore the Thrively website today and try and figure out some things in here. So there's different information you can add to your digital portfolio by clicking that in the top corner. You can add a picture to your portfolio. You can make a statement by adding something to the top of your portfolio about yourself. Here's how you can edit your interests that you entered earlier if your interests or aspirations have changed. And then you can go through and look at the information in your profile. You can add different goals. You earn badges. We'll go into that a little bit later. We'll go into highlights a little bit later as well. You can see all the different things you've done in Thrively so far. If you go back to the home page, you can take a look at the different pathways that are recommended by your strengths assessment, as well as the interests and aspirations that you've entered. You can click on these and find a bunch of different activities to do. So just go through and explore if you've finished up your strengths assessment and add to your digital portfolio and learn more about your strengths, interests, and values.